Hey Energy Explorers! Today we're about to build something classic, a pendulum. And guess what? It's the perfect way to see energy transformations in action. A pendulum is anything that swings back and forth. Think of a clock, a playground swing, or even a wrecking ball. And it has everything to do with energy. Let's break it down. When the pendulum is held up high, it has lots of potential energy, which is energy stored because of its height. As it swings down, that potential energy transforms into kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Over time, a little energy transfers into heat and sound. That's why the pendulum slows down. But the total energy? Still conserved. So here's the deal. Pendulums transform energy between potential and kinetic energy. Energy moves, but it never disappears. Get ready to build your own pendulum and track the energy swing.